Hi all, Rebecca here, and today I'm so excited to share with you this plant garden netting. This was gifted to me in exchange for my review. I was so thankful when the seller had reached out and asked me to give my honest opinion because I have some fruit trees around and they really got at my lime tree this year. This garden netting is made of a great fine mesh material. You can see right through it, which means the sun can still get to the plants in your fruit trees. You can see how the birds and the critters, they get right into this lime tree and they kind of destroy the limes where I can't use them. It was so easy to put up. I just threw it up around and made it as tight as I possibly could on the tree. I really wanted to keep it tight so then the birds could not get at my fruit tree. Now this garden netting could be used on raised beds, flowers, fruits, plants, anything you're looking to keep protected. Look at how nice that this does look and really covers the tree in all. It was easy, I just tied it around. All in all, this is a great garden mesh netting and I do suggest it. See you guys next time.